To me, this is a very important question. If you're ever nervous before the market opens, to me, it's telling you that you don't know what you're going to do. In other words, you have no control over what's going to happen, and that's not what day trading's about. Kind of means, in my opinion, you're probably trading without a plan, or you have a plan but don't follow it. The thing about day trading is no one's standing there with a gun to your head, forcing you. Even though, okay, say something triggers and then it comes down and hits where you should sell it. There's nobody with a gun to your head forcing you to sell it. So without a boss, without clear-cut, in concrete instructions, you don't have to sell it. You're completely free to do whatever you want as long as you have money left in your account. So that's the hardest thing about day trading is you might have something you know you should do, but a lot of us might end up holding it when we know we shouldn't because we're hoping it'll come back. And even if you get away with it on any given trade, in my opinion, it'll cost you more down the road because next time your subconscious will tell you, well, I got away with that last time. Let me try it again, or let me buy some more down here, double down, that sort of thing. And before you know it, it just takes one trade to completely take you out of the game, especially when you start averaging down. And even if you follow all your rules, but maybe you're not practicing proper position size and money management, something we talk about in our live chat room all the time. That's a huge aspect of trading. A lot of people are 2,000 shares, 3,000 shares, 1,000 shares, no matter what the price, no matter how far the stop is based on the chart. And it won't take long for that to swim up and bite you too. So position size and paying yourself along the way is very important. So I contend that day trading does not have to be dangerous. I'm calm whenever the market's getting ready to open because I know I'm going to stay within my guidelines, follow my own rules. But I'm only that way because I've lived through several times as I was learning to trade of not following rules and then having to save a bunch of money just so I could get back in the game. And every time I got going again, I would be nervous before the market opened because, to be fair, I didn't know what I was going to do. I knew proper setups, I knew where the entries were, but I still didn't have complete control over my emotions, and so on any given trade, I could have been wiped out and taken out of the game. And by wiped out, I don't mean lose every penny, but once you get below that 25K level, trading becomes almost impossible. So I've been down that road too many times, and so if anything, the members in our chat might view me as ultra conservative, maybe even boring sometimes. But if we don't have a low risk entry with a clearly defined stop price, I just can't take it. And it's got to be a fairly narrow stop as well. Based on the chart, not, oh, I think I'll take this trade with a random 20-cent stop. No, it's got to be based on the candles that the chart is forming. And so therefore, I'll adjust my position size, not the stop. The stop's going to go where it's going to go based on the trading of that's shown in the chart. And so therefore, I will adjust my position size to stay within my loss tolerance if the trade doesn't work. And that's another thing. A lot of people enter a trade thinking, how much can I make? I enter every trade thinking, how much can I lose? Therefore, how many shares am I going to buy? And then as I start to gain profits on paper, pay myself and tighten the stop. And that's what we preach every day in here. So if you're nervous before any trading session or every trading session, shoot us an email. Believe we can help you start every day with a calm attitude. Appreciate you watching our videos, and we'll talk to you soon.